start with the name of the God. So why we are here in Dubai? Why? Definitely our main concern is looking for the good future, good car, good home, own home. That is our main concern. But if you make your mind, each and every person own business, if you make your mind for that, then did you think what I have to do, and then I can get this type of things? So if you cannot wake up in the morning earlier and sleep early or sleep late in the night, so then how you can achieve your goal? So if you want to achieve your goal, you have to work straightforward, and then continuously you have to work there. So you make your goal. I have to go to the office, and the office timing at 9, so you have to go at 8 morning, go there, do your job, and then after that do another things. But if you want to achieve your goals, what you make it, but you don't want to follow the rule regulation, that is impossible. Stay tuned for more video.